grandma's backyard. Scary around here because, you know, people get shot. Like, actually, no, they don't. Let's break in. And we got little Chico over here. How's Chico doing? Huh? How's Chico doing? Yeah. I'm gonna try to pet Chico. Oh, that's a shame. You're for a bite. Chico. Yeah. Both up on it. Chico. Come on, put your hand up there, Chico.
Yeah, Chico.
Probably want to pet her? Chico want to pet her.
I'm screaming revenge again. Wrong. I've been wrong for far too long. Being captain is so frustrating. When I turn on my head to productive, I don't find it hard to impress. Bones, contraction, hands break to heart.